Hi, I'm Dr.N.Deepthi Shetty, Clinical Administrator of Image Hospitals and founder of Exam Academy, practicing since 15 years. Yes, definitely the home care routine, what and all to be followed by the different skin types, oily skin, dry skin and combination skin is definitely a question from everyone and lots of people. So the gentle cleanser and a non-comedogenic moisturizer and a broad spectrum sunscreen, it is a must in a regular routine for each and everyone. When it comes to oily concerns, definitely they have to include with some extent of salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide combinations to definitely reduce with the acne, and the oil controlling moisturizers and the oil control sunscreens, which will definitely improve their acne. And they have to definitely follow with their lifestyle changes and the food care routine they have to follow with reduction in the ghee, butter, cheese, oily things and all, along with the regular home care routine. And when it comes to dry skin, including with a good ceramides which will enhance their moisturizer, and hyaluronic acid, which is a very good option for them to increase their hydration levels, as well as niacinamide, which will reduce the pigmentation and to give you even skin tone. Definitely it will help with. When it comes with the combination skin, definitely you have to target with the oily areas so that so you can prevent with the further damage of the skin or the acne concerns in the oily area. Definitely hyaluronic acid is a very good option for all the concerns except for the oily skin. Along with that, they can include with the hyaluronic acid, niacinamides in the skincare routine. When it comes to only with the anti-aging concerns or fine lines and wrinkles reduction, they can choose with the retinol as well. So the teenagers definitely has to include sunscreen in their daily routine. It's a must and mandatory to give a good life to your skin. Definitely when it comes to teenagers, because of the UV radiation, or when even they are at home also, all the lights and be getting the UV radiation even from outside as well. And one more thing, when you are exposed to more gadgets, phones, laptops and all the screens, definitely will give you the blue light exposure as well, which will increase your pigmentation as well as your acne concerns. And when it comes to prevention, generally using with the skincare routine, a good moisturizer and a sunscreen is a definitely must and should. Sunscreen definitely with at least 50 SPF and with a PA 3+ or 4+ can be definitely helpful. When it comes to acne concerns, definitely they can choose with oil control sunscreen to reduce their acne as well as to protect from the UV radiation and from the blue light radiation. The common mistake which the teenagers generally do is a common notation. People think like sunscreen we have to use when we are exclusively going out or roaming in the sun. It's not like that. Sunscreen is a common routine which you have to follow whether you are in indoors or in the outdoors also. Definitely that common mistake most of the teenagers do. And one more thing is skincare habits they have to definitely avoid. They feel like overwashing or maintaining cleansing it too much will give you bright skin. That's a wrong notation. A good cleanser is definitely required. A thrice a day or twice a day cleansing will definitely help them to maintain with their skin. And using strong creams will make your skin fair or brighten. That's not true. So using the appropriate creams or serums based upon your age and your concern definitely has to be followed out with. And when it comes to daily lifestyle, what they do when they get with the new acne or something, they start popping it out or interfering with the fingers and all, which will create more damage and chances of spreading more and more. And sleeping with makeups, touching the face frequently with the bare hands without cleansing or maintaining with the sanitization, this definitely will create a more damage in their skin. So they have to make a definitely lifestyle changes of maintaining with a good cleanser and cleansing at least twice or thrice a day in a good manner with the gentle cleansers and some exfoliations at least in a couple of weeks once or monthly once, and some basic routine to be followed. And a good sunscreen whenever even they are indoors and outdoor also definitely has to be followed. And based upon their concerns, they have to customize or use with the serums required, either with the hyaluronic acids or niacinamides or salicylic acid based upon their concerns of acne, pigmentation or any other concerns. They should not combine with all the things at a stretch and should not get into trouble. So definitely they have to visit the concerned specialist to get all the details.